So we have ahead of us 2 very packed days with a lot of interaction on what is happening in the field and what is the potential of using mobile phones and the experiences that we have from practitioners and scaling that beyond where they're already working. I would now like to begin by inviting Dr. Paolo Mofalopoulos, who is the Chief of Communication for Development in India, UNICEF India. He's been in the UNICEF India country office since June 2009. Before joining UNICEF, he worked as a senior communication officer in the Development Communication Division in the World Bank from 2003 to 2009. His professional career began in Italy, where he worked as the for the main television network and then for training institution of a major corporation. Since then, he has worked extensively in the field of information, education, and communication with a number of international agencies, such as UNESCO, FAO, and the European Union. His main expertise is in participatory communication, research, and planning. While working for FAO, Paolo was part of a team that developed an innovative methodology known as the PRCA, which is Participatory Rural Communication Appraisal. He has also taught in the University of Texas in Austin, where he obtained his PhD. He has authored a number of articles and books on communication for development, and his most recent works, published by the World Bank, are Development Communication Sourcebook, Broadening the Boundaries of Communication and Participatory Communication. So essentially, he's a guru on the process of how communication happens and behaviors change. So, I would like to now invite Mr. Arun Myra, the Member Planning Commission, Government of India, to the dais, please, sir. Mr. Myra is a member of the Planning Commission, chaired by the Prime Minister of India. In this ministerial level position, he is responsible for facilitating, shaping the policies and programs related to industrialization and urbanization in the country. Prior to his appointment on the Planning Commission, Mr. Myra has served on the board of several large companies, including Tata, Birla, Godrej, Hero, Mahindra Groups. He has been a member of the Confederation of Indian Industry, National Council for many years, and as well as a chairperson of several CII national councils, including the National Council of Corporate Governance and chairman of CII's Leadership Summit. He is a frequent speaker at international forums on the future of India. He writes regularly in the Economic Times and other management and business journals. He is the author of several books, including one called Shaping the Future. His latest book is Transforming Capitalism, Business Leadership to Improve the World for Everyone. So thank you so much for joining us, sir, this morning. Unfortunately, we had also invited today Dr. Rajendra Kumar, the Joint Secretary M Governance in the Department of Electronics and IT in the Government of India. He has had to go to hospital this morning and is unable to join us. But since Osama, who is the director and founder of DEF, the Digital Empowerment Foundation, a co-partner with UNICEF on this consultation, is an advisor to the Department of Electronics and Information Technology, I'd like to invite him to take us through what Dr. Rajendra Kumar had planned to inform us about. I'd like, Osama, would you please join us? A little bit about DEF. DEF is an organization that works for digital empowerment and has been essentially finding solutions around governance using various technology forums like the internet and the mobile phone. It's a non-for-profit organization that works on digital empowerment. And UNICEF is a United Nations organization mandated for development protection of children in India as well as the world. So we have been working as UNICEF a lot on ensuring rights for children and social and behavior change in practices that enhance children's rights and their potential to grow. Therefore, we thought it would be a good idea to look at the new technology that's now emerging and see how that can link itself to social and behavior change. I would now like to invite Dr. Paolo Mafalopoulos to tell us a bit about how we see ourselves and the consultation and the overview of the consultation.